Hi, I'm here to introduce 4kidz2go. Simplify school transportation. Do you tired of the school run chaos? Like we are, family. Imagine a stress-free solution. Our app connects families in your neighborhood for efficient carpooling. We are building a cooperative system where parents, drivers, and kids are all on the same page. We are building on shared responsibility and advanced planning. No more last minute scrambles or endless text. Our platform uses simple Google Sheets for scheduling. Drivers set their availability, families book rides, and costs are shared fairly. Drivers use our app for quick check-ins and updates. Parents see real-time info and everyone stays informed. It's about building a community and making life easier for everyone. Join us in revolutionizing school transportation. Thank you.